the magic feather. In a vibrant forest, where sunlight filtered through the dense canopy of trees, there lived a young sparrow named Milo. Milo was known for his boundless curiosity and adventurous spirit. One day, while exploring near a sparkling stream, he stumbled upon a peculiar sight: a radiant feather, shimmering with an otherworldly glow. Intrigued by its enchanting beauty, Milo decided to take the feather and embarked on a journey to uncover its secrets. He believed it held magical powers, capable of granting any wish. As he soared through the sky, the feather whispered to him, guiding him towards a hidden clearing at the heart of the forest. There, Milo discovered a wise old owl, named Orin, renowned for his deep knowledge of ancient folklore. Milo eagerly showed him the feather, and shared his belief in its magic. Orin, with a twinkle in his wise eyes, explained that the feather was indeed special. It possessed the power to amplify the intentions and desires of the one who held it. Excitement surged through Milo's feathers as he envisioned all the amazing things he could do with such a remarkable gift. However, Orin cautioned him that the true magic did not lie in the feather itself, but in the intention behind its use. He emphasized that the feather was merely a tool, and that the real power resided within Milo. Inspired by Orin's wisdom, Milo realized that he didn't need a magical feather to achieve his dreams. He had the power within him all along. With newfound determination, Milo set off on a different kind of adventure, to help others and make a positive impact on the forest community. He used the feather, not for personal gain, but to spread joy and kindness. Milo touched the hearts of fellow birds by granting their wishes for happiness, unity, and love. The forest flourished as the magic feather's effects rippled through the trees, spreading harmony and goodwill among all its inhabitants. As time passed, Milo grew wiser and realized that the true magic of the feather was not in its ability to grant wishes, but in the transformative power of his own actions. He learned that kindness, compassion, and the desire to make a difference were the most powerful forces of all. In the end, Milo returned the feather to the forest, knowing that the true magic was not in possessing it, but in living a life filled with love and purpose. And so, the legend of the magic feather lived on as a reminder to all who heard the tale that the greatest magic resides within each and every one of us.